Hi friends, this is Meerub Craft Meerub channel. We are making beautiful birthday card. So let's get started. This is a unique idea. Hope you like this. If you like this, please like and subscribe my channel.
And when you go, I will fall back apart. Find pieces of me all over the yard. In this house of cards, she says, hey man, there were just too many days when our good intentions only got in the way.
Thanks for watching.